everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video you guys are going to watch me work on a recreation that I saw on Instagram. I will be uploading a picture right here so you guys could see, and like always I'm going to try to put my own twist to it. I'm going to be trying the 3D design method again, so I'm gonna give that one more go and see how that comes out. But yeah guys, so as you can see, my nails look a little jacked up. I took them off a few days ago, maybe like 4 days ago, and you know, I just wanted to give them a little break, even though you do not have to. I know a lot of people say that you're supposed to give your nail a breather. It's a myth, you guys. They told us that in school, so it is a myth. You can have your nails on for as long as you want. Just make sure you take good care of them, all right? Mine are a little crazy right now because they've been a little weak because I haven't been taking care of my natural nails, honestly. But yeah, we'll get to that. So yeah guys, so make sure to watch this video until the end, and if you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post, and make sure to share. All right guys, let's get started. So first I went in and pushed back my cuticles and cleaned my cuticle area with my nail bits. So now all I have to do is, you know, of course, trim, file your nails. I'm gonna leave mine like that. But yeah, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start sculpting the forms. And I'm gonna use forms today because I want my nails to be super long. So first thing is first, you're gonna put the sticker behind. This is optional, but I like to do it because I've seen almost every video like this. So try to create a nice C curve. Then you pinch the top, squeeze. Okay, so that should be good. So then I'm gonna go ahead and do it with all the rest of the fingers. All right guys, so this is how it looks. I'm gonna leave my thumb for later on so it's not in the way. So yeah, so this is how the forms look. I'm not the best at forms, I'm trying my best, but let's see how it comes out. So as a base, I am going to be using Valentino Beauty Pure Bad and Bougie. And I haven't used this acrylic yet. I wanted to look for a specific look that it will look good with, so I'm really hoping it looks good with this one. And for later on, I'm going to be using these 3 colors from Valentino as well. And the first one is a royal blue, and it is 028. The next one is a purple. This one is 023. Guys, I'm so sorry for the outside noise. I have my window open, so I apologize for that. And last but not least, I'm going to be using whites, and this is 045. All right, so let's get started. Before I lay down Bad and Bougie, I'm going to be sculpting the nail shape with crystal clear. So I'm just gonna put a very super small thin layer of clear acrylic, and then after that I'm gonna go in with Bad and Bougie. But of course, before all of that, I am going to continue prepping my nails, and that's going to be with the Valentino Beauty Pure Nail Prep Dehydrator, and also with their Super Bond Primer. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll get started. So I'm gonna try putting on 3 coats of this, only because I've been noticing that my nails have been lifting a little faster than usual. So I don't know if maybe my nail beds are producing oil faster. I'm gonna leave the film for later on because I know this is probably gonna take me a little while and I might have to stop in between. So let's go in with 3 swipes just to make sure that everything is good. Alright, so I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with the Super Bond primer. So how's everybody been? I feel like I haven't been on YouTube in a while. I hope everybody's doing well. And for the newcomers, hey y'all. Thank you so much for subscribing. It really means a lot. So I haven't been posting too much because I'm actually already planning for Halloween on the low. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays, and since this year I feel like I've have more nail experience, I definitely want to do a Halloween 30-day challenge here on my YouTube. I feel like it would be a pretty cool idea. So if any of you guys like Halloween, make sure to hit that like button. And if you guys have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment box below. You know, I'm open to doing any characters, or at least trying to, because I'm not the greatest at drawing, but I feel like it will be a fun challenge for myself and for you guys. Alright, so dehydrator done, primer done. Gonna let it dry a little bit, and like I said, I'm then gonna go in with the crystal clear. Alright, so that's how it looks sculpted. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do it to the rest of the nails. Alright, so this is how it looks after I sculpted it. I filed it a little bit, but this one I'm gonna have to fix, but after I continue putting the rest of the layers, only because it came out like down. But I'm just gonna file this down and just build the nail up. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use Bad and Bougie on all of the nails. That's gonna be the base for the nails. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead, file it, make it smooth, and then I'm gonna start with the nail art. So I ended up losing some footage. So here I was just doing my thumb with Bad and Bougie. And before I had done my thumb, I had done my middle finger and my ring finger. And after that, I actually went in with some butterflies. So the index finger and the pinky. wearing ombre and then butterflies at the top. So now I'm going in with my Melody Susie nail file, which is an e-file, and I am using my Kiara Sky 5-in-1 medium nail drill bit. So this is how it looks after I filed everything and smoothed it out. Now I'm going to go ahead with the gel polish design. I'm going to use my top coat. So here what I did was I used my top coat as kind of like a blossom gel since I did not have on hand. So when you put on the top coat, do not cure it, leave it without curing, and then just go ahead and pick the colors that you're going to use and just try to marble it around or do whatever design you want to do. And then when you're done, you go ahead and cure it and then you put top coat over it. Alright, so this is how the nails look with top coat on them. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the 3D design. Right now, I am using Young Nails brush-on glue to lay down a rhinestone. And as you can see, I already did a butterfly off camera. So I did that because I wanted to see how it'll look. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with the second butterfly and use acrylic for the butterfly wings. So I had forgot to mention in the beginning the acrylics that I was going to use for the butterfly wings, and the blue one is 163 from Valentino and the purple one is also from Valentino and it is number 170. After finishing with the 3D butterfly, I went in with my black gel nail polish just to make some cute little antennas or whatever they're called, I'm not too sure. Alright, you guys, and this is the ending of the video. I hope you guys loved this design just the same way I did. I got a lot of compliments on these nails. So it's definitely have been one of my most popular sets. So if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified. And of course, share. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.